This route follows part of the spectacular Causeway Coastway and takes in White Park Bay and Dunseverick Harbour. It's an out and back route, 2.5 miles or so if you just go to the harbour, or a mile each way longer if you go on to the ruins of Dunseverick Castle. There's a variety of terrain, it shouldn't be walked at high tide, and we'll consider the close links between here and Scotland. Start at the National Trust car park just off the A2 between Ballycastle and Bushmills and follow the path and some steps down towards the beach.
The full Causeway Coastway is 33 miles long and it's all really beautiful. But this section we're going to explore today is just special for the sheer variety of experience and terrain that it packs into just a few hours.
A lot of geographical features will have Scottish origin in this part of the world because we're so close to Scotland, and people have come across the channel. They've brought with them the language that they would have used, the descriptive terms like pad or now or no, bray or strand, and lots of other words that would be in common usage today from that period.
At the end of the beach, or strand, hug the bottom of the cliffs, making your way carefully over the rocks and boulders to Port Braddon.
What an idyllic little hamlet this is. It's built around the remains of the old salmon fishery, which would have seen the landing of, to borrow an Ulster-Scots word, a wheen of fish here over the centuries.
There's a little yellow sign just beyond the salmon fishery. Follow that sign onto the narrow path around the headland, and from there pick up the blue and yellow Causeway Coastway markers. The combination of sea and stone around here has created so many fantastic features.
The landscape is just unreal, and this little waymarked path takes you right through the middle of it. And as a bonus, on clear days like this, you can clearly see the coastline of the Scottish Islands and part of the mainland as well.
The Kingdom of Dalriada was established by the settlement of people from County Antrim, and it's supposed to be named after a people itself, the Dalriata. It's the best known of the Scottish settlements, the Kingdom of Dalriada, on both sides of the channel.
Continue the walk along the marked way through fields and over wooden stiles, and you'll eventually arrive in Dunseverick Harbour.
Dunseverick here is strongly associated with Dalriada. Just a mile that way, the ruined castle was a stronghold of Fergus the Great, who ruled the kingdom in the 5th century.
At this point in the walk, you can either turn back to White Park Bay along the same path, or extend the trip to take in Dunseverick Falls and the ruined castle by following the Causeway Coastway markers. That would be another 2 miles walking in total there and back, but well worth it.
Well, you can find out much more about Dalriada from the additional video content that we've attached to this one. There's also a longer chat with David about the many Ulster-Scots words for the various geographical features that we encountered along the route. They're designed to be played on smartphone or tablet, so you can watch them while you walk. Enjoy!